The weather is always changing, not only in everyday life, but also in industry. It is very important to know the weather conditions for use of the weather information in a more strategic way. Here are ELP's professional weather sensors and weather information service. AVS25 is an optical sensor that measures visibility by detecting the forward scattered light. It accurately measures the visibility by adjusting the contamination of the lens automatically and generates the 4-level fog intensity, safety, caution, warning, and danger. The insect prevention function of AVS25 increases the maintenance efficiency. Furthermore, the heating function and fog present weather code are available as options. With a measurement range up to 25 kilometers, AVS25 boasts excellent performance and reasonable price in the areas of road, marine, harbor, port, and aviation which need more accurate fog observation. Weather information is rapidly changing, but there is no problem if you are with ELP's specialized weather sensors and weather Q.